Hi folks, in this video I would show you how to record journal entries through manual journal and how to record different adjustment or financial transaction through special journal. Okay, first of all, for manual journal you need to click on manual journal over here in advisors button. Now you can see over here you need to give the date where you if you are trying to do some adjustment in head office, you need to click head office. Okay, if this transaction doesn't involve any tax, you would need to select no tax. You need to give the reference as a JV01, JV01, general voucher 01. Currency of adjustment you can make. You can even change the currency if the adjustment in some other currency other than your default currency. In this case, there is only one currency, which is USD. Now, I need to, if for instance, I need to make some adjustment in depreciation account or furniture account or any sort of adjustment I can make in GL account, whatever I want. For instance, in this case, I'm gonna record depreciation expense. I'm gonna record the year-end depreciation expense, and then I would hold on a second, please. I'm going to record the depreciation expense adjustment over here through manual journal. Okay, I'm going to record the $5,000 depreciation. Depreciation even is debited. Okay, I'm going to record depreciation on furniture. Okay, I'm going to add the line. Okay, see over here the one line item for the manual journal has been added. Now I'm gonna go, this depreciation is relevant to the furniture. I'm gonna take the accumulated depreciation. I'm gonna credit and I'm gonna add this. See over here you can see these two accounts are involved. One is depreciation expense, the other is accumulated depreciation. One is debited, the other one is credited, and now total debit or credit. Only when these total credit would be total debit, then only you would be able to save. This save button appears. Otherwise, this button would not appear. One if these debit credit are not equal. Okay, now you can click and save it. Okay, see JVI01 has been saved. Okay, you can add new GV. You can edit. You can edit the current this one if you want. Okay, or if you want to delete, you can delete as well. If you click this one, it would say, "Are you sure you want to delete it?" I don't want to delete. I just cancel it. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to record, how you can use special journal. Actually, this special journal is specially this form is specially designed for the professionals. Okay, and if someone if all the professional accountant can use this particular form in order to process any kind of transaction, whether it's related to purchase or sale of product services, or it is related to bank, whatever transaction, only through this only this is the special journal form through which any kind of financial transaction can be entered. Okay, there is a difference between manual journal and special journal. That's in manual journal. If you see over here, if I click add new manual journal, you can see over here, if you compare these lines in manual journal, only these lines are available for transaction. But over here, if you see, you can even record enter product through special journal, involve the customers, vendor, employee, taxes, everything. But in manual journal you would see only this portion, general ledger amount, debit. You can see general ledger amount, debit, and tax. whereas in special journal you would see other options of product quantity. If you are selling product or purchasing product, you can enter. If you want to record the employees transaction, customer transaction, any kind of financial transaction, any kind of financial transaction related to your business can be entered through special journal. This unique special journal is designed for professionals to make adjustments in product, in employees, payroll, or any sort of adjustment they can make, or if they want to enter transaction, they can do it. Okay. Hopefully, you understand how manual journal and special journal is different in Financial Unlimited. Thank you for watching this video.